Here we start section C from the exercise 2, which is given on your page number 110. As you can see, from the question number 1 to 10, all other theories. Here we'll start from the question number 11. Find the value of R in covariance Sxy is equal to 120 and Sx 12, Sy is 15. By looking at this information only, we can say which formula will we use. That is the small formula. R is equal to covariance xy upon Sx Sy. This all information is already given in the question. So it's very simple and easy. Just we have to calculate it. That is multiplication. 120 upon 12 multiplied by 15 will get 180. And the answer is 0.67. That's it. Moving to the next question number 12. Find the value of R if sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to minus 65. Sx is 3 and Sy is 4 and is equal to 10. So here I took all the information. Even this by looking at this information, we can say the formula which I have given for the small question. Hope you all remember. So just keep the formula first. Y minus y bar and sigma x into sigma y. Let's keep the value. Here we'll take for this minus 65 and which is given 10 multiply Sx 3 and Sy is 4. Minus 65 and the multiplication of this will be 120 and the answer minus 0.54. Next question number 13. For 10 pairs of observations, sigma d square is equal to 120. Find the value of rank correlation coefficient. For the rank correlation coefficient, here where it is written 10 pair of observation means here they have given n. So here we get sigma d square 120 and n is equal to 10. And rank correlation coefficient formula is 1 minus sigma d square upon n minus n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 sigma d square, the value is given 120 and that is 10 square on 1. 1 minus 6 into 1 is 720 upon 10. 10 square means 100 minus 1. 1 minus 720 upon 10, here comes 99. 1 minus 720, 99 into 10, 990. Don't do anything with this one. First remove the calculation of this. Here we will get 0.73. 1 minus 0.73, here we get 0.27. Here we complete section C, moving to the section D. Now in this section D, you can see the question is all theoretical based. This information is already given in the very beginning of the chapter, in the introduction part. Even this has been given in the beginning of exercise 2.3. Moving to the question number 10, where they need the solution. The following data is available for two variables, rainfall in millimeter x and the yield of crops, hectares. The information which is given here is n is equal to 10, x bar is equal to 120, y bar is equal to 150, Sx 30, Sy 40 and sigma xy is 189,000. Find the correlation coefficient. So by looking at this, first let's take into the formula. So here we need the solution. First of all, get clear with which formula will go with such kind of information. That is sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n Sx and Sy. So let's keep the information first. 189,000 n is 10, x bar is 120, y bar is 150 upon n is 10 multiplied by sx, that is 30, and sy is 40. 1,89,000. First take out the multiplication of this number. Here we get 1,80,000. Also remove the calculation of this and we'll get 12,000. Get them minus. The answer is 9,000. Divide by 12,000. That is 0.75. Moving to the next question number 11. The following information is obtained for 9 pair of observation. Sigma x is 51, sigma y is 72, sigma x square is 315, sigma y square is 582, and sigma xy is 408. Find the correlation coefficient. Now out of this, first get clear with which formula will go with this. That is the formula of decimal. Like if the information be found in decimal. Minus sigma x, sigma y, which is really similar with the UV formula, and sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. So first of all, we'll keep the value of n, that is 9 pair which is given, that is n is 9. Sigma xy is 408. Sigma x 51. Sigma y, that is 72. Upon 9. Sigma x square, that is 315, minus sigma x, that is 51, and keep the whole square here. Next 9. Sigma y square, that is 582, minus sigma y is 72 whole square. Now just remove the calculation of this. 9 into 408, that is 3672, minus 51 into 72, that is 3672, upon 9 into 315. Here we get 2835, minus 51 into 51, 2601, into 9 into 582 will get 5238, minus 72 into 72 will get 5184. Remove this subtraction, that is 0, upon the calculation of this 2 will be 234 into root 54. Next, first of all, 234 multiplied by 54 under root only, that is 12636. 0 upon, remove the root of this, 112.41 is equal to 0. For sure, when we get here 0, the answer is going to be 0, but don't forget to complete the whole portion. These steps has to be complete. So just write down here, hence the correlation coefficient you obtain is. Question number 12, which is given on your page number 111. The information obtained on the basis of rank given by 2 judges to 8 contestants of a dance competition is given below. That is sigma rx minus ry whole square is equal to 126. Don't get confused with this information. This is the same which we used to do. Like for rank x and rank y, we get subtract, then we found d. And for taking the d whole square, the formula is one and the same. That is sigma d square, that is 126. This is the one which we used to subtract to find out d, and the square is already given. When rx and ry are the rank given to a constant by the 2 judges respectively, find the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Now here they have given d square in the ready, and just we have to find out n. Here you can see This is what I was searching. 8 contestant. Now this is the 8 contestant, means n is 8 and sigma d square is 126. That's all we need for the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. That is 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 sigma d square is 126 and we found 8. 8 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 126, here we found 756. 8, keep as it is. 8 square means 8 8s are 64 minus 1. Next, 1 minus 756, 8. 64 minus 1, that is 63. 63 multiplied by 8, we get 504. First remove the calculation of this. 1 minus, that is 1.5, and we get the answer minus 0.5. That's it. Moving to the next 13. The rank given by 2 experts on the basis of interview of 5 candidates for the job are 3, 5, 5, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Find rank correlation coefficient. Now here the information which is given, that is Rx is 3 and Ry is 5. Again here Rx is 5 and Ry is 4. This is what the information has been given in the question. Just take into the table. Like they told that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candidates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candidates. First one will keep as a Rx and another one will keep as a Ry. First one, they have given information, that is 3 and 5. Keep something like this. 5 and 4. So Rx will be 5 and Ry will be 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. So here we have ready in rank. Next column we find that is D, that is Rx minus Ry. So 3 minus 5 will get minus 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, 2 minus 3 again minus 1, 4 minus 1 will get 3. No need to calculate here because we actually need is D square. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. And here we get the total of this 16. That's it. So here we get sigma d square. Sigma d square is 16 and n is 5. Again, we'll keep just a formula. This is now become easy for you all. 1 minus 6, 16, 5, 5 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 16, 96. 5 upon 25 minus 1. 1 upon 96, that is 24. 24 into 5 will be 120. 1 minus the calculation of this becomes 0.8 and the answer is 0.2. Hence the correlation coefficient is obtained 0.2. Moving, here we complete section D. Moving to the section E now. Solve the following information is obtained to study the relation between the selling price of nose mask and its demand during the epidemic. Find the correlation coefficients between the price and demand of the mask of Karl-Pearson method. Now you remember for the Karl-Pearson method we did in the exercise 2.2. First we used to take the information x and y and we find out x bar and y bar. If the information is in integer, we used to use this formula. Now for using this formula, what we need exactly is x minus x bar, that is the x column will minus with the x bar, and the x bar we found is 40 and y bar we found is 98. Then these two columns used to get multiplied and the square of x minus x bar and y minus y bar we used to remove. So first of all, let's find out x minus x bar, that is 38 minus 40, that is minus 2. 45 minus 45, 40 minus 40 is 0. 42 minus 40, that is 2. 35 minus 40, that is minus 5. Next, y minus y bar, that is 103 minus 98, we get 5. 92 minus 98, we get minus 6. 97 minus 98, we'll get minus 1. 98 minus 98, 0. 100 minus 98, we get 2. So after getting this information, let's the thing which we need in the formula is x minus x bar, y minus y bar, means the multiplication of this two column. 2 5s are, but the 2 is carrying with minus, so we'll get the answer in minus. 5 6 are 30, but there is a plus minus minus. 0 1s are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, but again we'll get answer in minus. Next is x minus x bar whole square. The column of this will get square. 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25, 0, 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. And the total of this is 58, where we call it sigma x minus x bar whole square. And here sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to 50. And here the column, this have to be square. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 1 1s are 1, 0, 2 2s are 4. And the total of this column, that is sigma y minus y bar whole square, we get 66. So after getting the information, just keep into the formula, that is 50 upon 58 into 66. First of all, get multiply 58 and 66 and keep under root, that is 3828. Remove the root of this, that is 61.87. 61.87. Yeah, the answer of this we got in minus. So the calculation will come the answer in minus. This is how you have to complete the first one. Moving to the next. In order to study the relation between the ability of in the subject of human resources management and personality development for the student of postgraduate level course, a sample of 5 students is taken and the following information is obtained. So here the information is given, and here they told you to find out with the Carl Pearson correlation coefficient between the marks of both the subject. So here first of all, just take the number of students and remove x and y, and again we found answer in integer. So the same formula will be used here. So the same calculation. So here we found x bar 35 and y bar 34. I'll just get complete with this information. You also pause the video and first of all try by yourself. Let's see. So here I complete the table and just going to take the information into the formula, that is x minus x bar y minus y bar. Here we get 280. Sigma x minus x bar whole square is 550. Sigma y minus y bar whole square, here we get 776. Keep 280 as it is. Give the multiplication of this 2, that is 426,800. Remove the root of this, we'll get 653.30, and the calculation of this we get 0.43. So here correlation coefficient between the marks of both HRM and PD obtain 0.43. Don't forget to write that. Moving to the next question, number 3. A vendor wants to display lipstick of different brands according to their popularity. For that, he invites 2 experts, Priyal and Nishi, to rank the lipstick of different brands. So here the brands is written and the rank already given in the question. So find the rank correlation coefficient to know the similarities in the decision of both the expert. So in this question, already the rank is given. We just have to find is D. That's the subtraction of this column. After subtracting, the answer we get for D, and we just remove the D square. And let's keep into the formula. 1 minus 6. Here we get 12. N is, just keep the value into the formula, and here we got the answer 0.79. So just write down, hence correlation coefficient obtained is 0.79. Question number 4. A merchant wants to study the relation between the price of a tea and coffee in Ahmedabad city. He obtained the following information about price of a tea and coffee of the last 6 months. Here the price of both is given, and they told you to find out rank correlation coefficient. So here we don't have the in ready rank, we just have to remove out of this. So out of this information, first of all, let's find out in the X column which is the highest number. Here we can see the 450, which will get the first rank. We have to move in the descending order. Next is 370 will get second rank. 360 will get third rank. Then comes 340 will get fourth rank. Here 320 fifth, and 300 will get sixth rank. Hope you understand the process. We'll do the same with this, with sigma y. Here we get the first. Just you try to do it. I complete to give the rank for this column. After getting rank, just get it minus rx minus ry to find out d. So here we get the answer 1, 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 2 minus 2. Next 2 is d square, that is, just remove the square of this. 1 ones are 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2 twos are 4, and here we get answer sigma d square as a 8. So n is 6 and sigma d square is 8. Just keep into the formula for the calculation. 1 minus 6 into 8, 6 upon 6 square minus 1. 6 8s are, that is 48. 6 square, that is 36 minus 1 will be 35. 48. 35 into 6 we get 210, and the calculation of 48 divided by 310 we get 0.23, and the answer 0.77. So hence rank correlation coefficient between the price of a tea and coffee obtained is 0.77. Next, question number 5. The demand of an imported fruit in a local market is very uncertain. To know the relation between the price of the fruit and its supply, a vendor collects the information about the average price supply of last 10 months. Find rank correlation between the average price and supply. Again, they have given an information, not a ready rank. So out of this, first of all, we'll remove the rank. As you can see, there are a lot of information is given. So be careful while removing the rank of such question. After removing rank, the process is same which we have done in the question number 4 as well. Then after subtracting rx minus ry, here we found d, and then we remove d square and get the total of this to keep into the formula. That is 1 minus 6. Sigma d square is 76, n is 10, 10 square minus 1. So here 26 into 6, here we get 456. 10 into 10 square, that is 100, 100 minus 1, 99. 1 minus 456 divided by 990. Calculate first this, you will get 0.46, and here the answer is 0.54. Last question from the section E. To follow the relation between the result of the examination taken in a span of short time, a teacher has conducted 2 examinations in last 2 weeks, and the rank obtained by 7 students are as follow. Here the students are given. Rank from the test 1 and test 2 is already given, but here the twisted one you can see must be the information similar in D and E, so the rank has been divided between them. So if you remember, when the rank is given divided in such a way, we have to remove CF. So just I took the information all into the table. First of all, we'll calculate D. Here we get minus 2, 0, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, 3.5 minus 6, will be minus 2.5. 3.5 minus 5, here we get minus 1.544. Now remove the square of this. 404, 2.5 into 2.5, you will get 6.25. Here you will get 2.25, 16, 16, and the total of this column is 48.50. As you can see, I have already made a table. The repeated must be 3.5, right? Means the information must be given twice. So m is 2. Just remove the calculation, that is 2 cube minus 2 upon 12. The answer is 0.5. Because of this repetition, we'll keep the formula of CF, that is this. Now let's take the value 1 minus 6. Sigma d square is 48.50 plus CF we found is 0.5. N, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take the 7 square minus 1. First add with this amount number. We get 49 upon 7, that is 49, 7 square, minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 49 will get 294 upon 7. 49 minus 1, that is 48. 1 minus 294, 48 into 7 will get 336. 1 minus, remove the calculation of this, you will get 0.875. And get it minus, you will get the answer of 0.125. The 5 is there, so we can change the digit, that is 1. 2 will increase by one more number, that is 13. So here we, here we get 0.125. Because of 5, we can increase the digit number into 3. So here we complete the last question of section E. The next we'll move is section F.